Hello everyone, how are you? In this video, I'm going to share with you a fantasy look which you create any occasion or you want to go any clubbing or outing. So this look for you. I create this eye look very simple and subtle eyeshadows and draw some flowers outer or inner V my eyes is. So let's get start the video. First, I'm using this kind of angular brush and start applying the concealer all over my lid. This is how I giving the sharpness on my eyebrows. You can go with the eye primer, but it's summer, so I'm using a liquid concealer. I'm using here Swiss Beauty concealer, which is I think ivory shade. So just apply it all over your lid and blend it out with the beauty blender. It will give you the flawless base, so the color will pop out so easily and beautifully. So I'm blending my concealer with the help of beauty blender. Just slowly dab the blender on your eyes and you will get the flawless eye base. Do not worry the uneven base, we will fix it out with the loose powder and some blush, so it will settle down. And now I'm setting my eyelid or my eye base with the help of loose powder. You can use here a fluffy brush, but I'm taking the loose powder in that blender. So now my base is set and now I'm using a angular or spoolie brush to fill my eyebrows. So you can see my eyebrows is very thin, so I'm using a lighter shade here to fill my eyebrow. And you can start your eyebrows with the mid eyebrow area and slowly define your eyebrows. And once you complete the define your eyebrows and use the spoolie area to comb your eyebrow. And now I'm using this darker shade orangish to outer V in that small fluffy brush. And now I'm using here a You Can Be eyeshadow palette. So I'm creating this look in that palette, and slowly you can build up your eye makeup. And this is how I deposit the color. I'm just tapping the orangish color on my outer V and blend it out. I'm not using any transition shade here. I will fix the transition shade with the fluffy brush after cleaning it. And now I'm using this yellowish pigment or shimmer. You can choose your pigment or shimmer as you like or which color you want. And right now I'm checking how much pigment I want on my lid and spread it with my fingertip. And this is the white highlighter which I'm using on my inner V. The highlighter or pigment, I think in this palette are same, so you can go with any colors of pigment. So I'm placing it with the help of my fingertips and take this kind of angular brush. This is the same brush which I use eyebrows, so you can use it again. And if you have a orangish kajal, so you can go with it, but I'm using this shade with as a kajal. So and blend the harsh line of this orangish color, this mustard color. Now this is my eye look like. So now next process is I'm using another palette which is Makeup Revolution, and I'm taking this white I grabbed this white shade and I'm using here some Duraline here to create like a liner. This Duraline help you to create any kind of liner. And this white shade I'm using like this. I'm drawing here a flower, and you can go with a butterfly and which kind of look you want. So this process take time, so do it very patiently. I have done it this area on off camera because it was so tough. So this is, I think, look like better. Or for this kind of area you can use a small brush. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone with that same highlighter, white highlighter, and I want some dots in my flower area, so I'm using here blue liner, which is non-branded, or if you have a branded, so you can go with it, and some dots which give you the flower look. And add some blush. I'm using here orangish blush and some highlighter to shine my eye look area. And you can use any lashes or eye lenses, but I'm using here 2-3 coats of mascara, and this is my lashes look like after curling or applying mascara. So this is the final look. You can create this look any occasion, or you are practicing eye makeups, different kind of eye makeup, so you should try this once. I found this look on Pinterest, so I will next try some butterfly eye look. So I think if you like the video, give a thumbs up this video and share with your friends who want to learn eye makeup or who love to create creative eye makeup. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.